Hello, I'm Dr. Debbie. Did you do the exercise in my last video? It's filed under quick tip number 2. If you are able to reconnect with the joy of knowing your mate, you can call on that energy to empower your intention for quick tip number 3. You already know that you and your mate are different. That's a no-brainer. Those differences are what drew you together. Now, those differences are frustrating, especially when it comes to communication. So you'll need to be intentional about that too. Quick tip number 3 is the 30-20 rule. First, the 30 rule for women. Step 1, learn. Men are pretty good at compartmentalizing. They aren't as good at multitasking. They need time to change hats or shoes. Remember Mr. Rogers? At the beginning of his show, he would come to his house and change from a jacket to a sweater and put on different shoes. When a man comes home from work, he needs 15 to 30 minutes to shift from work mode to home mode, just like Mr. Rogers did. Step 2, experiment. When your husband gets home, greet him with a smile. Then give him space to change his shoes. Wait at least 30 minutes before you try to talk to him about anything, even if it seems like it's not that big of a deal. Step 3, observe. What did your husband do during those 30 minutes? Was he more open to conversation afterwards than he normally is? If so, this is a tip you'll want to repeat every day. Second, the 20 rule for men. Step 1, learn. Women use words to create connection. She hasn't seen you all day and she's eager to connect with you. That's the reason she starts talking as soon as you walk in the door. Step 2, experiment. When you see your wife at the end of the day, greet her with a smile. She'll probably start talking immediately. Your job is just to listen. You don't have to fix anything. Don't try to solve a problem or try to change her mood or get her to stop talking. Maintain eye contact, without staring her down, of course. Keeping your words brief, simply indicating that you care about what she cares about, and be kind. Step 3, observe. You'll have to look at the clock, discreetly of course, and make note of the time you walked in, then check the time again when she runs out of things to say. How long did she talk? Chances are she talked for about 20 minutes, then stopped spontaneously. She said what she needed to say, and more importantly, you heard her. You made the connection with her. That's why she stopped talking. This quick tip has the power to make a difference even if only one person changes their behavior. Give your partner the time even if you don't get anything in return. Be patient. Stick with it, no matter what. In summary, when a woman gives her man the 30 minutes he needs, he's in better shape to give her the 20 minutes she needs. That's why I call it the 30-20 rule. Remember, if things haven't been going well for a while, you may need more than a few tips to turn things around. On the other hand, sometimes just a few changes can set you both on a better path. Try it out a couple of times, then let me know what happens. I'll see you in the next video with quick tip number 4.